You know the rule. A word that ends in this letter is usually feminine. But two of the most common words in Russian break it: time and name. They look feminine, and they're not. Today, you'll meet the smallest family of rebels in Russian.
Мое имя Анна. Красивое имя, да?
A quick recap. These endings usually mean feminine.
Мама. Неделя.
So time and name should be feminine too. Look at their last letter.
Время. Имя.
But they're not feminine. They're neuter. Don't read just the last letter. Read the last two. That little tail always means neuter. And just like always, the gender spreads to the words around the noun. Neuter, never feminine.
Мое время. Мое имя. Красивое имя.
My time, my name, a beautiful name, all neuter. Now hear it in a little scene.
Как ваше имя?
Максим. А ваше?
Анна. Очень приятно.
Какое красивое имя.
Максим? Какое красивое имя!
Время – деньги, а мое время – золото.
One more scene, in a familiar taxi.
Время идти. Такси приехало.
Уже. Как быстро идет время.
Да. Время, деньги.
Хорошо, идем.
So here's the whole lesson. A family of just 2 words you'll actually meet.
Время. Имя.
And the best part? The whole family is only 10 words. The other 8, flame, banner, tribe, are rare. You'll meet them in books, not in conversation. Learn these 2, and you're done. 1 letter says feminine. 2 letters say neuter. Read the last 2, and you'll never miss. My mom.
Моя мама.
My name.
Мое имя.
My week.
Моя неделя.
My time.
Мое время.
Отличная работа!
До встречи на следующем уроке.